country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Chichi fans don't come out to come mock Phyna after she come out come cry over unpaid debt where Multichoice never pay her. So after the Big Brother Naija level up season, when immediately Phyna come out of the house, she start to dey call out Multichoice. Even before the reunion, she and Multichoice already get falling out. If I remember that period, Phyna come out come make statement say Multichoice begged her to come for the Big Brother Naija level up reunion. So for the reunion, after the reunion, Phyna come still call them out, say Multichoice make her look bad because they not show the part where be say Chichi dey insult her. Instead, they show only the part where be say she dey insult Chichi and Chichi parents. So now that thing na come escalate the whole thing. Her fans, obviously they call Phoenician, as she come out come insult Multichoice for that thing, her fans come go the CEO page, Multichoice CEO page, go insult the man to the extent say the man come lock his Twitter account, lock his Instagram account, and even a TikTok account that period. They insult the man, threaten the family, a lot of things sup that period. So even as all those things they solve that time, me I dey for Twitter spaces listen to wetin everybody they talk, and no start say that thing wey be say Phoenicians do that time, it will cause problem for this girl later in the future. Few months after, I mean a few years later, Phyna come out, they call out Multichoice, say that they owe her 1 BTC. According to them, they say they're supposed to give her 50 million naira for the cash prize. Then the other things will come with it, 50 million naira, making it 100 million naira, which they come forfeit some of it. They not come forfeit the 1 BTC. So she don't they come out since they call her Quidax, and Multichoice say may they pay her money. According to her, she say she don't get any contract with Quidax, rather na Multichoice wey be say she signed contract with na go give her the money. So she can't involve lawyers that period. They can carry and go Multichoice office. Reaching there, Multichoice call offer Phyna, say okay, take 30 million naira for the worth of the BTC. As at that time maybe say you win. Phyna can't say no. She can't come out, she and her lawyer can't they explain, give general public, say see oh, we not collect the money, or they must give us the current rate for BTC. After her Maldives trip, where we say she go after Travel Better give her the trip. When I remember say before Travel Better, they not fulfill their promise to Phyna too. So Phyna can't call them out, which they can't fulfill. But before they fulfill that promise, Phyna don't go meet Multichoice. Multichoice tell Phyna another thing, whereas Travel Better gets another thing for mind, which means Multichoice actually they work on their own without involving the sponsor safe. Since she come out from her trip now, the matter for the Quidax 1 BTC, they never still give her. So she can't come for TikTok today, can't come out, can't they cry out, they call them out. For the thing where she talk for the TikTok, you go just know so a lot of things they saw between her and Multichoice, where we say general public not even they aware of. Now, first of all, me, I get my own beef with Multichoice somehow, because those people, I don't get one kind of encounter with them before, and they're not they nice. And me that make I make that statement that time, say the way Phyna they call them out not be the right way. Where we say she go use, immediately they offer you the 13 million. First of all, you collect that one, put for pocket, then you continue to the fight. Because I know Nigerian lawyers for this our country, you and I know just say no, they get too much work. So once they see work, like they go they push you. Somebody you go they do this, so that they go they see money every day they collect. Now Phyna they come and they claim to say Multichoice tell her say they don't retract the contract, which means they are not giving her any money again. So they can rewrite the contract. Imagine that type of thing, which means definitely say Phyna not read the contract before she even sign them. Most of all these people, once they give their contract, because they're eager to enter Big Brother house, they will not bother to read the thing. They'll just sign. Maybe they just enter inside the show. Maybe they just do it they won't do for them. And they're applicable to all of us. Most of us, even if you do for Google, you search for something, you see say they tell you to say agree, read terms and conditions. For where Nigerians, we know to say we're not the reader, we will just click tick, go fly go the next stage. So I believe saying that waiting most of these housemates, the mistake where they make, where they affect them. So as everything they go, as Phyna they explain, they cry, bobo tibo, Chichi fans come out for space, they come, they happy, they laugh, they so happy, say the thing they happen to Phyna. According to them, they say that Phyna now come out, they insult Chichi, they insult her family, they tell her to say they're gonna cry, but since she come out of everybody house, she have been the one crying.
Because you felt you have won. You have won money they not still give you. You are crying. You have squandered all the first pay they paid you in 2023. You have finished it. Now you're coming to remember Bitcoin. The Lord has done it. Round up. Big love. This is celebration for we the Chichi fans. The team 2%. The Lord has done it finally. God has decided to show us mercy today and make our enemies to Oh my God, maybe I off this mic now. Brother, rest. This is celebration mood. The Lord has done it finally. Fine. Random. Thank you. Random.
First of all, me I no go support Chichi fans for the way they take come out to come laugh Phyna in the first place, because two wrongs cannot make it right. And another thing, Phyna, your fans now the number one problem where we say you get, you they always listen to them. You they always listen to those people. They don't have sense like that. Fination, they don't have sense like that. Not all of them. Oh, the ones where we say don't have sense know themselves. The only people where be say fit advise Phyna right now, because she doesn't have a management, which all of us know she does not have. The people where fit advise her the right way right now other fan bases, because other fan bases come out to come follow her fight Multichoice for this her battle with them. And from wetin she talk, she say Multichoice now doctor say make she sue them, make they go court. If this thing reach court, Phyna go spend her last dime fighting this case. Make she not lis ten to wetin dem dey tell her, make she just collect the one wey be say Multichoice give her. Then she go know how she go take na negotiation. She go negotiate with them. E get the way they go take talk am. I just believe say Multichoice just wan show her shege for the way she don behave towards them all this while. And as for Multichoice themselves, this is wickedness, because first of all, una get so much money. Una even make the announcement say level up season now una make the highest amount of money for the since una start Big Brother. Na so una talk that time when after una gift Phyna the money, una say na level up season na be the highest amount wey be say una don make from the Big Brother franchise. So why e come hard for una to wicked to give person the money wey be say una actually promise am? Why wait till after 3 years until she call una out before una come remember say we dey owe this girl so amount o? E no make sense to me. Multichoice dey very wrong for that one. And Phyna, the way she take handle the thing online, coming online to cry is not going to change anything, because online that everybody go use and take create content. The way they use and do content, so na so other bloggers go use and take do content, take cash out. So online is not the best place. Online not be caught. Sure, all of us come out, come vote for what they call her P2B that time. A lot of people come out, they shout online. They think say na by like that. No, there are some underground things where we say you guys to do. So most of the time, all this type of wala go settle one outside social media, outside court. Now they go settle this type of thing. Not be to come online, come they cry. Now take care on a bye.